गुड इवनिंग स्टूडेंट्स। सो आज हम स्टार्ट करने जा रहे हैं अ न्यू थीम ऑफ द हिस्ट्री और वी आर स्टार्टिंग विद द मॉडर्न इंडियन हिस्ट्री फर्स्ट थीम। सो इन मॉडर्न इंडियन हिस्ट्री द नेचर ऑफ लॉजिकल एलिमिनेशन टेक्निक्स which we have discussed till now won't be applicable as it is in these questions in the modern Indian history than in the ancient and medieval in art and culture. What is the reason? The reason is that these subjects are highly factual in nature. The logical elimination techniques will work only in those questions where the options are framed logically, where the options are framed in a subjective manner. But इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि इन सब्जेक्ट्स में कोई भी लॉजिकल एलिमिनेशन टेक्निक्स नहीं अप्लाई होगी, ऐसा नहीं है। ठीक है, इवन इन द मॉडर्न इंडियन हिस्ट्री और अदर पार्ट्स ऑफ द हिस्ट्री some different tricks and some different elimination techniques or some different deduction techniques are useful. For example, you should see the names. Let's say कि question has been asked on different personalities in the modern Indian history. Then mostly see the odd man out personality as per the chronology, as per the nature of their overall contributions to the modern Indian history, as per the context of the question. So आपको odd man out वाली personality ढूंढनी है. Then again, if the question is on different events, then you should be using your basic knowledge of broader chronology about eliminating that or those events. ठीक है, so in modern Indian history basically most of the questions have been revolved around personalities or contributors and their respective contributions. This is also the topic in the mains. So you will cover this topic for both prelims as well as mains. For example, in personalities, most of the questions have been asked on the role of Gandhiji, mass movement, the advent of like Gandhiji's arrival in India and afterward movements. ठीक है, then there are lots of questions on different personalities like moderates and extremists, and afterwards the struggle period before the independence. ठीक है, so again I am repeating, the traditional elimination techniques or the traditional deduction elimination techniques won't be as it is applicable in the modern Indian history, but there are some different techniques. ठीक है.